Bhavna here from Design. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about a fun and exciting way to learn Korean language in just 10 minutes of your day. So let's start. If you are a fan of Korean dramas and K-pop, you have got the idea what I'm talking about. Yes, you just have to tune them on and have to watch them carefully in order to learn and communicate better in Korean. First step is watch them with subtitles. Yes, the easy way to crack Korean language is to watch every Korean drama and K-pop series with subtitles. Helps you to improve your Korean language and to explore new words and to understand the meaning of them. So every time whenever I'm watching a new Korean series, I'll just tune them in, and with the help of such websites, Wiki and Kissation, I just turn on my CC button and watch them with subtitles. Sometimes it's a bit tricky because it follows a subject plus verb plus object manner. It gets a bit tricky and difficult to crack those words or sentence fully in Korean. So I just put on my Learn More on Wiki and try to understand what they are trying to say in that situation of drama. So the easiest way to learn Korean with the help of Korean drama is to always turn on your Learn More on Wiki to understand whatever they are talking about in a drama. The second tip is to always mimic or imitate the pronunciation. So whenever we are trying to sound like a native Korean speaker or fluent in Korean, we always have to play our video at a slow speed of 0.75 because that might help you to understand a word or a verb or a noun they are using in the language better. So whenever somebody is making a conversation in the drama, I always play that in a slow speed so that I might be able to grasp what they are saying in that moment. So I always remember the funny moment when I was a beginner and was playing My Girlfriend is a Gumio, and that moment there was a word that the protagonist was trying to say. So the Gumio, she was saying Thena, Thena. She was literally meaning Dena in Hindi because she was snatching her stuff from the Lee Sangi, and she was trying hard to scream like Thena, Thena, and I was surprised there are so many words in common. So yeah, it may have so when you will start learning at lowest speed, you will figure out that there are many surprises hidden in such language, and you will also explore some common phrases similar to your language. So it's not a difficult task, isn't it? Try it out today. The third tip is mastering the accent. So while I'm on the accent topic, I would like to tell you that there are diversified types of accent hidden in Korean language. Because if you are going to sound like an urban Korean, you will have to learn the Seoul Korean language they're using. But when you're moving towards the ancient Korean dramas, you'll figure out they are mostly using Chola accent or Gwangju accents or old Korean cultural accents. So that will be a little twisting or complicated while you're going to learn as a beginner. So I would suggest you take them step by step. So suppose you just want to communicate with your close friends in Korea who are learning any university. You might prefer university or high school dramas. But if you want to communicate with some elder person, you will have to shift towards ancient Korean or historical Korean dramas more, because they have a different kind of accents they use. So when I'm talking about high school Korean drama, I would say they're using 진짜 배고파요, 라면 보고 싶어요, Miss I'm missing ramen. But if you're moving towards the ancient dramas, 감추고 싶어요. So they are using and stressing more over the words. 야, 오라버니 안 주고 싶어요. 오라버니 안 주고 싶어요. So they are moving their mouth and tongue more whenever they are trying to speak in historical Korean language. So that you'll have to keep in mind that what type of drama you'll prefer to master which type of accent.